There was an option previously provided in Step Tools to create a pilot segment, basically in a different segment for the pilot float and the step editor section. So when you created a two float step drill, you had a pilot float which actually creates a bit more depth into the floating compared to the based on the diameter from the first step section. So this was only available in two float drills. Now we have enhanced the drill software, and now when you do a three float drill, this option is now available, and the pilot float is automatically generated for the three float step tools as well. So when you go into the wizard and create section 1 for the pilot float and the step editor, and the gashing is automatically created.